Hi, I'm David and I work at Intel and I'm doing my master's in product development at the HECTOR School, part of the KIT. It's one of the biggest renowned universities in Germany in the technological areas. I've heard a lot of good things about it. I actually also live in the near, so that's also very helpful for me. And I work here in Karlsruhe, so it was like a perfect fit. When I saw that course, it really was a fit to what I was looking for years now. The content of the program, it's really pretty, it's like wide. It really widens your perspective depending on what you're working on. So for me that I've been already an experienced employee for the last 10 years, 15 years almost, so it was very good that I could get into areas that I was never part of. I would definitely recommend here. It's a lot of fun. There's great lectures, great professors. It's a pretty good program, well established. And regarding the HECTOR School and the KIT, this combination is very good. So you can forget about a little bit about the language. Everything is English-based, which is for some of the programs pretty essential. So I would definitely recommend.